Pinacol is vicinal diol, or we can say 1,2 diol. So what is Pinacol? Pinacol is nothing but a general term for vicinal diol or 1,2 diol. So whenever we have two OH group next to each other, I can call it Pinacol. For instance, if you have a carbon, OH, OH, this kind of setup, you can consider it as a Pinacol. Right? Now this Pinacol rearranges in presence of acidic condition, in presence of H plus condition, and it forms Pinacolone, right? How it happens, that's what you have to understand. So there can be multiple questions that can be asked around. For example, I can ask a question. I can give you a 4-membered ring like this, another 4-membered ring like this, put two OHs, put H plus, and they can mention here. What is the product? A 4-membered ring, a 5-membered ring, and two OHs and H plus heat. Question can be CH3, CH3, OH, CH3, CH3, OH, H plus heat. pH, CPH, CH3, CCH3, CH3. I'm sorry, this should be OH. So OH, OH, same तो नहीं हो गया? CH3, 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 different. एक काम करो, H plus heat. Removing this, because you have written already Pinacol. So call it reaction number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Keep writing. CH3, ET, OH, CH3, CH3, OH, H plus heat. Question number 6. Okay. So n number of reactions or questions can be asked around this. Okay. Different variety of questions can be asked. But if you understand the basic idea, Yatharth and Niharika, please keep your cameras on. रौनक का मैं समझ सकता हूँ, रौनक की तबीयत खराब है. I hope both of you are doing well. यथार्थ ठीक है. अब इन क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व कैसे करोगे आप? व्हाट शुड बी आवर अप्रोच टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन? आई विल शो यू सम एंड देन यू हैव टू ट्राई अदर्स, राइट? सो प्लीज पे अटेंशन, डोंट कॉपी इट, यू कैन कॉपी इट लेटर, जस्ट सी वन क्वेश्चन. सो दिस होल डिस्कशन इज गवर्न्ड बाय 3 मेजर थिंग्स. नंबर 1, फैसिलिटेशन. नंबर 2, माइग्रेशन. एंड तीसरा होता है रीअरेंजमेंट. ओके, एंड इसके साथ में रीअरेंजमेंट तो चलो एक ब्रॉड टर्म हो गया. यहां पे क्या होगा? रीअरेंजमेंट विद अ लीविंग ग्रुप. एक ग्रुप लीव कर जाएगा. सो फैसिलिटेशन, माइग्रेशन एंड लीविंग. सो यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई 3 थिंग्स, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, rearrangement is the whole process, we can call. Somebody will facilitate, someone will migrate, and someone will leave. If you identify 3 things, you can solve any question of this type. Okay, so what is the learning out of it? How will you recognize whether it is Pinacol? You will observe 2 OH, 2 OH, 2 OH, an acidic medium. This requires acidic medium, H plus as a catalyst, right? Then only reactions can progress. Is it fine? Now, which one would you like me to do? Choose one. हाँ, second one. चलिए second कर लेते हैं. So this is a 4-member, this is a 5-member and H plus. So what can happen? One of the OH will attack on H plus. Now there are two choices, a 4-membered or a 5-membered. So there will be confusion that we should attack with 5-member or 4-member. In that case, if this attacks here, this becomes OH2 plus, right? Now this is oxygen with lone pair. ये act करेगा facilitation में, ये push करेगा. This carbon cannot hold 5 bonds, so ये leave करके यहाँ पे join कर जाएगा, और ये water leave कर जाएगा. This is option 1. I repeat once again. This is facilitation, this is migration, and this is your leaving group. FML. Can you observe 3 steps? Facilitation is done by something which is having OH lone pair. When it pushes electron here, this won't be able to cope up with 5 bonds. So one bond has to open, this bond will open up. And as soon as this bond will open up, this carbon cannot hold 5 bonds, so water will leave. These are 3 simple steps, and this mechanism is called concerted mechanism. इसके लिए क्या word होगा? Note on this word also. Concerted mechanism means a mechanism which is with a flow, right? So this is called concerted way of writing mechanism, concerted mechanism. Other method is, I will split the mechanism in 3 parts and then tell you that this is the mechanism. ये दूसरा तरीका भी समझाता हूँ. Second method कैसा होगा? देखो मैं वो भी दिखाता हूँ. Second method ऐसा होगा. I am doing with a different color so that you can understand. So this is one OH. This is another OH. Sorry, ये extra आ गया. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So step 1, आप ऐसे शो करोगे. पहले आपने सिर्फ इतना बनाया. OH ने H plus लिया. Then you will show 4-membered OH, OH2 plus. Step 2. ठीक है? Is it clear? Any problem in this part? Then आप क्या करोगे? Then you will show that this water leaves. Okay, so क्या बना? OH. अभी लंबा मैकेनिज्म हो गया थोड़ा. यहाँ पे आ गया प्लस चार्ज, वाटर चला गया. Then you will observe that fine, this is the structure, and in the structure this is a ring, and the next position has a plus charge. ठीक बात है, यहाँ तक समझ में आ रहा है? So what can happen whenever you have a ring and a plus charge? What we do? Answer please. Ring expansion. Ring expansion takes place. When ring expansion happens, this is OH. This is connected here. This joins here. Where will plus charge come? Here. And this is a 5-membered ring. And then, as we know that this is plus charge single bond lone pair. Lone pair will support. And because of this support, this structure will become 5-membered structure with a double bond OH plus, and at this place 5-membered ring is connected. And while ending the last option, you have to pay back H plus to the reaction. You are paying back H plus to the reaction. So your final answer is a 5-membered ring with a double bond and another ring connected like this. अभी पूरे steps लिखने में आपको कितना टाइम लगा? काफी ज़्यादा टाइम लगा. Do we have this much time in exams like JEE? No, we don't have. So what's the option? क्या option होगी? आप concerted mechanism use करो. आप बोलो this pushes, this opens and this leaves. So सीधे सीधे आपके पास आंसर क्या आएगा? If this opens, ये यहाँ पे ज्वाइन हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे डबल बॉन्ड आ जाएगा, और ये लीव कर चुका है, तो आपको सीधे आंसर दिखना चाहिए. You should be able to reach this option directly. If yes, you understood the mechanism. कितने लोगों को समझ में आ गया? एक बार हैंड रेज कर दीजिए. क्लियर? अक्षय, दिति, आद्या, आरव, क्लियर? तरुण, क्लियर? श्राव्या, श्याम, संजना, clear everyone? Any issues in this part? So please note down. Online? Yes, Ranak. Now, if this is done, what is the option? क्या option निकल के आ रही है मेरे पास? 4-member, 5-member, 4 has become 5, 5 is remaining 5. अब सोचो, 4 and 5, okay? If you make 5-member 6, 4 will remain 4. Out of these two, which option is better option? It's like passing one exam with highest score and failing other exam. And second case is, in both the exams getting average score. कौन सा अच्छा ऑप्शन है? एटलीस्ट दोनों में पास तो हो गए, है ना? सो आई विल चूज दिस ऑप्शन over and above this option. Ronak, is it answering your query? Point number 1. In this whole process, choose stable carbocation. See, it is, if you are using conserved mechanism, you will not get chance to see this carbocation. ठीक है? You will not be able to see this carbocation being formed there. But you have to see with your foresightedness that अच्छा ऐसा बनेगा, right? So you have to choose a stable carbocation. That's very important. Stable carbocation. You have to choose. कोशिश करनी कि आपको stable carbocation मिल जाए, ठीक है? That you have to ensure. Are you understanding? Yatharth, Niharika, Ronak. Chinmay is also joined. Hi Chinmay. We are doing pinacolon rearrangement. Chinmay, can you hear me? Okay, so this is how reaction has to move further. We have to see a stable carbocation. Just keep this in mind. Okay, stable carbocation आपको बनाते हुए आगे बढ़ना है, ये आप दिमाग में रखिए प्लीज, है ना? चलिए आगे चलें. नेक्स्ट, H, pH and R. Next part is this one. So again same story. OH, OH2 प्लस चार्ज यहां पे स्टेबल होगा, माइग्रेट करोगे ET का फॉर्मेशन हो जाएगी आपके पास ET C डबल बॉन्ड हो, ये पुश करेगा, ये माइग्रेट करेगा, एंड CET CH3 एंड CH3. क्या आंसर समझ में आ रहे सारे? CH3O. What is the name of this compound? 2-methoxypropane. It's an ether, 2-methoxypropane. What is the name of this compound? 1-methoxypropane. And what is the name of this compound? One methoxypropane. Don't say 3-methoxypropane. So 1-methoxypropane. All right. Now next is simple ether, ROR, mixed ether when you have R and R prime, as in both the groups are not same. So if the groups are same, let's say इधर उधर पे ग्रुप सेम है तो ROR हो गया, डिफरेंट है तो ROR prime हो गया. Fine, easy, simple reaction. Please note down. Note down this part. Anyone, any issues in this part? Any doubts? ROR with H plus form ROR H plus. It is called oxonium ion. Have you heard of hydronium ion? Hydronium में क्या होता है? H, that is hydronium. EM is for positive ion. Okay, that is why alkali metals, potassium, magnesium, aluminium, right? But chlorium सुना आपने? नहीं होता. Nitronium नहीं होता, हाँ, nitrium नहीं होता, nitrogen होता है, right? So that EM is in a way indicating that these are electropositive elements. All right? Diti, is it clear? Arav, is it clear? Tarun, Shravya, इस तरफ अक्षय जी, clear? Adya, Shyam, Sanjana, everyone, comfortable? Online students, Yatharth, Ronak, Niharika, Chinmay, comfortable है पूरा? समझ में आ रहा है? So oxonium ion is RORH plus. This is oxonium ion. ठीक है? Note down this line. ROR with sodium does not show any reaction. Ether cannot show any reaction with sodium. कुछ भी नहीं कर सकता. But can ROH do? Sham, can ROH do? What it forms? Alkoxide. किया था लास्ट क्लास में हम लोगों ने. एल्कोक्साइड फॉर्मेशन हो सकती है. ठीक है? जस्ट नोट डाउन. एनी इश्यूज इन दिस पार्ट? So there is no alkaline hydrolysis, right? There is no alkaline hydrolysis. अपने आप में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन होता है कि ईथर कोई भी alkaline hydrolysis नहीं करता, ठीक है? ये पूछते एग्जाम में. Please write on this line. Ether never undergoes alkaline hydrolysis. Basic medium, OH minus की presence में break करना. If you want to break ether, what you should do? Give it H plus, form oxonium, then आप attack कर लो. But आप alkaline condition में चाहोगे तो कुछ भी नहीं कर पाएगा. We have done one reaction. This reaction, if you recall, B2H6THF. Anyone who can tell me which reaction is this? अब तो सबको पता ही है, right? Good. Hydroboration oxidation. 2-3 बार कर चुके हो. हाइड्रोकार्बन में किया था. Alcohol again we have repeated that, right? Hydroboration oxidation reacting agents are B2H6THF, and THF coordinates B2H6. This is coordination. That's why we have BH3 ready for attack. Correct? So this is acting as a coordinating agent because of its lone pair. And then one more question which I have often asked, multiple times I have asked this question: how will Grignard be stabilized? Because of coordination of ether. ये भी किया हुआ आपने. Ether coordinates Grignard. That's why Grignard becomes stable. That's why we need dry ether. ये भी मैं कई बार बता चुका हूँ क्लास में. एक दो बार नहीं, multiple times we have discussed. Isn't it? Clear है यहाँ तक? ये सारी चीजें आप एक बार नोट कर लीजिए. Take your time, quickly jot it down. फटाफट एक बार फिर से लिख लो. Cold concentrated HCl. If you're given cold concentrated HCl, what is going to happen? This lone pair can coordinate H plus, form oxonium ion, dialkyl oxonium chloride. इसका नाम होता है dialkyl. 2R है तो dialkyl oxonium chloride Cl minus. It's an oxonium salt. Similarly with H2SO4 क्या बनाओगे? With H2SO4 also you can draw the product, right? So please draw the product for H2SO4. It will be HSO4 minus and this, or you can remove 2 units and write 2 such units are formed. Okay? We can just quickly review. Whenever you see any of this formation, keep in mind that this is going to give you carbene. Nitrogen gas will go out, zinc bromide will go out in this case. And in the last case, nitrogen will go out. All right. So what is going to happen? You have ROH, you have CH2. You can do insertion reaction. कौन सी reaction कर सकते हैं आप? Insertion reaction. ये यहाँ पे ज्वाइन कर जाएगा और ये यहाँ पे ज्वाइन करेगा. ये हाफ इलेक्ट्रॉन बॉन्ड का मतलब क्या होता है? See, half bond is basically showing 1 electron, right? It's not a full bond, right? So what will it become? R single bond O. O से connect हुआ कौन? CH2 और CH2 से connect हुआ कौन? H. तो क्या ये बन गया ROCH3? ऐसे लिख सकता हूं. और ये compound क्या है? This is an ether. ROCH3 is an ether. So you started off with alcohol. And you're ending up getting ether via insertion mechanism. Note कर लीजिए. Simple reaction है. So carbenes can give variety of reactions. One of them is insertion reaction. See, insertion reaction is also observable if you have acid RC double bond OOH and you have insertion of CH2. What can happen? It can become RC double bond O OCH3. That's called ester, not Easter. Easter is a festival. This is ester. ठीक है? So ester form कर सकते हो. Acid से ester, alcohol से ether. Insertion reaction के दो अच्छे एग्जाम्पल है. अब एक और रिएक्शन होती है साइक्लाइजेशन. ये भी कार्बीन करता है. साइक्लाइजेशन कैसे करता है कार्बीन? देखिए. सो इफ यू आर गिवन अ डबल बॉन्ड लाइक दिस and you bring CH2. So in double bond, in pi electron, of course these are electrons, right? So this, and you can close this bond. ये CH2 यहाँ पे क्या हुआ, ये C और ये HH. This is called cyclization reaction or ring formation reaction. This is another variety of reaction carbenes can show. Is it fine? So carbenes can give cyclization, carbenes can give insertion, acid to ester, alcohol to ether. ये सारा कुछ आपको आना चाहिए. And how will you recognize whether this is carbene or not? Just see these kind of setups. CH2N2 heating, CH2Br2 heating, CH2Br2 zinc heating, CH2N2H nu. कुछ भी ऐसा दिख रहा है समझ जाना कार्बीन वहां पे फॉर्म होने वाला है, right? Carbenes can be of two variety, singlet and triplet. This we have discussed in GOC if you recall. If you just see your notes, you will come to know again. Singlet and triplet carbene, 2s plus 1. S is summation of spins. Spins paired, spins unpaired. Triplet is thermodynamically more stable carbene. ये सारा आपको पता है. एक बार रिवाइज करें प्लीज, ठीक है? प्लीज कंप्लीट अप टू दिस पार्ट. टॉपिक तो चल रहा है ईथर. Check the third reaction. We are discussing for third reaction. Third is ether only, no? So cyclic ether. Epoxy group is what? Ether. Ether का example है. चलिए, so let's start. What are the reactant for this? What is used in this reaction? So लिखिए point number 1. Per acid with mild heating or per acid itself is an option. Now, when we say per acid, your options are per acetic acid, okay, per benzoic acid, metachloro per benzoic acid, formic acid per formic acid, not very stable. So any of these per acids can be taken up. Or Ag2O heat or dry Ag2O heat can be given, or anything which is having similar kind of impact or close to that or something like that can be given. अब मैं आपको एक लिस्ट तो दे सकता हूँ, बट सी क्वेश्चन कैन बी इन एनी वे. अब आपको मान लो क्वेश्चन पर एसिडिक एसिड की जगह पर उन्होंने दे दिया पर क्लोरो एसिडिक एसिड और 2 क्लोरो पर एसिडिक एसिड, तो कंफ्यूज नहीं होना आपको. आई एम गिविंग यू द डायरेक्शन, राइट? दे कैन फर्दर गिव द एक्सटेंशन ऑफ दिस प्रॉब्लम. इज दैट ओके? So in all such cases, these things which I'm telling is valid. So if you're given a ketone, you have to put an oxygen. You're given this kind of ketone, you put oxygen, make it ester. This is ester, see, cyclic ester. You're given a double bond, you just put oxygen like this.
So what is per acid?
अब इस पे आ रहा हूं मैं सारे डिस्कशन. कौन से स्ट्रक्चर्स कैसे बनेंगे इनके? Let's see all these structures. So what is acid? Acid we all know. Let us see what is per acid. So RC double bond O, OH, it is called acid, right? And when we say per acid, basically peroxy group is introduced. So the formula of that acid will become RC double bond O, OOH. Now the next question what they can ask is, they can mark this oxygen with some isotope. Let's say O18 कर दिया इसे, या इस पे एक स्टार लगा दिया, and they want to check whether you know the mechanism that whether this oxygen joins here or this oxygen. क्या हो रहा है, कौन सा ऑक्सीजन आ रहा है? So answer is where you are marking star or writing 18, it is this oxygen. समझ में आ रही बात? Basically, what is the reacting part in the mechanism? This oxygen. This. Yes. So this, the one which is attached with H, this oxygen is the key reason behind complete mechanism. The complete mechanism is governed by this oxygen, not with this oxygen, with this oxygen. Is it clear? ये point समझ रहा हूँ आप. What is per acetic acid? What is acetic acid? CH3, COOH, एक और O लगा दो, क्या बन गया? पैरासिटिक एसिड. What is benzoic acid? C6H5, COOH, एक और O लगा दो, क्या बन गया? पर benzoic acid. How will you draw this? Benzoic acid, pH, C double bond O, one more O and one more O. This is the formula of third one. What is NCPBA? Meta position of this group. You put a chlorine. This is called MCPBA. आप में से किसी ने अगर हिमांशु पांडे, MS शाह ने कोई भी बुक सॉल्व की होगी या कहीं पे भी अपने बुकलेट मॉड्यूल देखे होंगे तो आपको MCP पे जरूर मिला होगा कहीं ना कहीं. Anyone who come across such problem? ऐसी कोई दिक्कत आपने महसूस की? नहीं महसूस की? MCPBA कभी सुना आपने? कहीं देखा, लिखा? मतलब पढ़ाई नहीं कर रहे हो? That's one way to understand. हाँ? रौनक, आपने देखा किसी टेस्ट में MCPBA देखा? देखो ये पढ़ाई कर रहा है. इसने पता 95 टेस्ट लिखे एक महीने में इस बच्चे ने. 95 टेस्ट इन अ मंथ, राइट? करेक्ट रौनक? इसने विश्व कीर्तिमान स्थापित किया है 95 टेस्ट लिखने का. बट अभी डिस्कशन पेंडिंग है बेटा, डिस्कशन भी करो इसके, है ना? तभी टेस्ट का रियल मीनिंग होगा. निहारिक एंड यथा, आई एम सेंडिंग यू टू वेटिंग रूम बिकॉज आई कांट सी यू, सो बेटर यू स्टे इन वेटिंग. किधर चले जाते हैं आप लोग? यथार्थ तो चला ही गया, चल उसको भेज दे दो. No, he's there, but he's not. Yatharth, are you there? Mechanism clear? Ketone taking H plus, formation of this, attack here, facilitation, migration, leaving, and then final option.